Today I'm going to show you how you can create this vector image art using Adobe Illustrator. For me, I had this cool Kenya bus image from which I was working on my Nyawa bus project. I picked it because it had contrast and the colors I needed. So open up Adobe Illustrator and drag and fit the image on your work frame. On the properties bar, look for image trace, select it and pick how many colors you want your image to be traced in. For me, I will pick 6 and we wait for Adobe Illustrator to do its thing. Then voila, we have our image traced in art. If you're not satisfied, you can go back to properties and click this icon, and Adobe Illustrator allows you to increase how much colors you can add to your image. I'll increase mine to 12 and we wait for Adobe Illustrator to do its thing. And I think this looks pretty good. Also, not to forget, you can change it to black and white just by clicking on the mode panel, then you click to black and white, and again Adobe just does the magic.